If you want to improve your TOEFL reading score, you must learn how to quickly identify the main idea of a paragraph. This skill saves time and helps you answer several question types more accurately. There's several TOEFL question types, and today we will focus on main idea and purpose questions. These questions often begin with phrases such as, why does the author mention, what is the purpose of paragraph 2? To answer these effectively, you need to understand how academic paragraphs are usually structured. Strategy 1. Read the first sentence carefully. In most academic writing, the topic sentence appears at the beginning of the paragraph. This sentence usually introduces the central idea that the rest of the paragraph explains. A common pattern looks like this. First sentence, general idea. Following sentences, examples, details, or explanations. This means the main idea is often introduced in the first sentence, while the rest of the paragraph simply supports or develops that idea. If you train yourself to identify the topic sentence quickly, you can answer main idea questions faster and with greater confidence, an important advantage on the TOEFL reading section. Strategy 2. Look for repeated keywords. TOEFL writers often repeat or paraphrase important keywords throughout a paragraph. When you see the same idea appearing several times, it usually signals the central topic. For example, you might see words like climate, temperature, global warming. Even if the wording changes, these words all refer to the same central idea. In this example paragraph, the repeated keywords are currents, climate, and temperature. Because these words appear multiple times, they reveal the main focus of the paragraph. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Strategy 3. Ignore examples and details. Many TOEFL paragraphs include examples that support the main idea. However, remember this important rule: examples are not the main idea. Examples usually begin with signal phrases, such as, for example, for instance, such as, specifically. These sentences help explain the idea, but they are not the central point. In this paragraph, choices A, B, and D describe specific examples rather than the main idea. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Strategy 4. Choose the most general answer. The correct main idea answer is usually broad but accurate. Wrong answers often focus on only one detail, are too specific, or describe just one example. For instance, imagine a passage discussing several causes of climate change. The correct main idea would be the causes of climate change. A wrong answer might be how factories produce carbon dioxide. This answer is too narrow because it describes only one cause. Based on the paragraph, B is the most general answer that includes all the other points, so B is correct.